Welcome to my channel. My plan for today is to replace this pipe with PVC. I am replacing it because there's a big crack on the back, and this is what I did to temporarily slow the leaking. It worked okay, but it's not waterproof. I am planning to start at the top and take all of it down and replace it with PVC, and I'm gonna make it come out and down and eventually connect to this PVC pipe down there. I will leave affiliated link for any of the product that I use in this video. If you plan to buy any of them, I would appreciate it if you use the link in my description box. Here's where I'm changing the pipe. As you can see, this is no small gap, it is a very big gap. This is what was hiding behind the foam. As you can see, it's a pretty long gap. So I'm gonna start to cut this pipe so I can put the new PVC pipe in. After I cut section off, I hammer them out, and then I use the hammer to break pieces of the pipe. And I'm gonna use the grinder. I made enough hole so the grinder can go inside, so I can cut it on the inside. I can't really do this with one hand, so I'm just gonna show you after I cut it off. I just finished cutting through it. Now I'm gonna try to pull it out. After I cut the top off, it was so easy to pull out, it just basically broke apart. Here's the piece. As you can see, the gap was almost my finger size. It's a pretty big gap. So the job gets easier from now on. As you could see, I was able to break the space off. This is what it looked like. And yeah, it did fall on my chest. If you have a similar situation, be careful. I wasn't seriously hurt by it. But this piece is not bad, but you might as well replace the whole thing with PVC so you don't have to redo this job again. Now the only remaining piece I have to break off is this little piece right there. It actually the original pipe actually went inside into the basement and it come out again. I might try to just break this piece of metal with a sledgehammer. Before I do that, I'm actually gonna disconnect it from the PVC pipe. After I cut it with the grinder partially, but from here to here, then I give it one big hit with this small sledgehammer and it broke right off. So I cleaned the PVC pipe with sandpaper. Now I'm just gonna wipe it with a cloth and prepare to glue the next part onto it. Make sure to use primer in your PVC. Now we're gonna add the glue and put it together. Give it a twist and hold it for a couple seconds. It should be good. I took measurement and I already cut my pipe. I sand the edge, clean it, and I'm waiting to connect everything together. So I went ahead and started connected everything, as you can see. It's looking better already. Now all I gotta do is connect the last part together. I already connected the bottom part. Now the last thing I have to do is connect those two together. I'm just gonna unscrew the black part. It's gonna be easier to do it that way, and just lift it up and glue it together, and then I can add the black rubber last. And that's all that is to it. I'm done. Everything is finished. As you can see, it's not that bad, but if you want to do this job, it needs some labor. Other than that, it's not that hard to do. My advice for you would be to dry fit everything first before you glue them, and when you're ready to glue them, make sure you use primer. If you're interested in buying any of the items I use in the video, I would appreciate it if you use the link in the description box. Thank you for watching.